Greetings. I had the honor and pleasure of taking a number of Adam Rudder's extraordinary online experiences as well as in-person workshops. And I can truly say Adam is a masterful guide at supporting others into returning to that playful nature. He says that play is our natural state, and he really does an amazing job at helping us really tune into, our freely expressed, liberated selves. And when working with Adam, one can experience, enhanced communication skills, more personal self-development techniques, into really trusting ourselves, moving into that trust space, building self-esteem, building courage, confidence, and really finding nuanced ways of being really playful and having fun. And everybody I know who's worked with him just really is amazed and loves what he does. I love the work he does. He's been doing this for a long time, working with Fortune 500 companies. He's a good friend of mine, so I highly support him and want to just put him out there, y'all. Check him out. Check out his classes, his courses. Improv Playground is amazing, and it's changing lives all over the world. So highly encourage y'all to check him out and support him. Join his course, learn some techniques, have fun, y'all. Play is our natural state, from the words of Adam. Much love, y'all. Love you, Adam. Peace.